Hi students, we're going to try something a little different. I'm going to try just doing a brief video recording how to do one of your practice book pages for the week that we are not going to get to do in class. So here we go. The one that we're going to tackle first is this one, which is page 226. And in this worksheet, we're looking at determining the genre of a piece of writing. This piece is called Teamwork at the Airport, and it says, when a plane is about to land, the pilot radios the air traffic controller to say that the plane is approaching. When the air traffic controller looks at the runway to make sure that it is all clear. If there's no planes on it, the controller tells the pilot to land. Once the plane is on the ground, the air traffic controller connects the pilot to the ground traffic controller. The ground traffic controller gives the plane a clear route from the runway to the airport. And then over here, I see a plane following an arrow. Looks like it's landing. The air traffic controller helps the pilot land. Looks like a tower right here where the air traffic controller is probably stationed. And then here it looks like a plane taking off, and I see a person waving flags. The ground traffic controller helps guide the pilot to the airport. All right, so the first question is, what genre is this? How can you tell? Well, I can tell that this is an expository text. And if you were with me right now, I would ask you how you know this. How I know that this is an expository text is because there are no characters, problems, or I should say plot. Sometimes there are problems in expository text, but a plot is when a character resolves his or her conflict. So I can tell this is an expository text because there are no characters or plot. Instead, it is explaining information to me. So it's telling me about how teamwork at the airport works. That's how I know it's an expository text. The next question says, name the text feature. What purpose does it serve? So text features are parts of a text. In this case, the text feature is this diagram over here. So I would say the text feature is the diagram. Its purpose is to explain the process of teamwork at the airport, right? A diagram's purpose is to explain a process or to explain the parts of something. In this case, it's a process. We see how these pieces of teamwork at the airport work together. How do pilots and the controllers work together to land the plane? Of course, I'm going to go back to the text. When I read about what the air traffic controller is doing, what the pilot's doing, and what the ground traffic controller is doing, one word comes in both of these sections: clear and clear. And that helps me choose a word to focus on for my answer. So I can say the controllers help the pilot land the plane by telling him or her where the clear paths are, whether those clear paths are in the sky or on the ground. All right, students, that was your worksheet. Of course, when you're reviewing this later, you can pause on that worksheet to get those answers, and let me know if this was helpful to you.